From the right side, representing Kelantan, Farid Hamidi.
Globally, scientists have been using animals for medical researches. Previously, in medication, drugs that were created produced certain side effects. Hence, an initiative must be made to reduce or remove that threat. Therefore, I am strongly agreed that scientists should be allowed to use animals for medical researches. Firstly, when a component called toxin can be used as medicine to cure various diseases, although to job for collecting animal venom dangerous, they are the source of over a dozen life-saving medication. Drugs that are developed from animal toxin are used to treat high blood pressure, heart attack, diabetes, and other diseases. Furthermore, animal testing is necessary to make advance to human health. Although it is threatening the population of the animals, human health must become first. In conclusion, one must take a step forward in order to make advance for humanity regardless of the repercussions for a better future.
From the left side, representing Kota Kinabalu Sabah, Khairul, Nazmi, Izzat.
Many scientists have been using animals for medical researches, regardless of the effects on nature. Be that as it may, I am strongly disagreed to the thoughts of using animals for medical researches. Firstly, it threatens the population of the animals. Although human health is important, it is not necessary to just use them for medical purposes. Based on the study, animals also have intelligent, emotional natures similar to us humans. Moreover, it took away the animals' right and freedom. Although the experiments on animals can find cures for diseases, it takes away their freedom and rights as living beings. All of the selected animals are locked in small cages and not be able to do anything except for sleeping and eating. Hence, the use of the animal for medical research should be put to stop immediately to maintain the balance of nature.